All right, boys and girls, and welcome to Go on Guitar. We have a great song here from Ella Langley. It's called Word for the Wind, and I believe this is first time for Ella here on Go on Guitar. I just came across this song on YouTube, and I felt, wow, great song. She has some punch in her voice. I really liked her voice, and the car she sits in is very great as well. So yeah, deserves a spot here on Go on Guitar. Let's take a look at Word for the Wind. All right, so we are going clean on fretboard. No need for any capo here. This song, and we have 5 chords. All right, so let's go with 4 chords here, starting with the B minor. And that's a bar chord where you play the bar on the 2nd fret, and you bar 5 strings from bottom up like this. And then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. All right, so let's move on with the F sharp minor. Still a bar chord, still a bar on 2nd fret. This time you bar all strings there, and then you need to add 4th on A and 4th on D. All right, next chord is A. And yeah, you go open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. We have E next, and that goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E, and the final chord is D. And that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. All right, so we're gonna work with B minor, F sharp, A, E, and D. So let's go into the strumming here. And if you grab the first chord, the B minor, you have a strumming pattern that is down, up, down, up. All right, so it goes like this. Okay, so what you want to do here is try to separate the down ups from each other. So the first down up, a little bit more on the bass strings if you can, and then the second down up, a little bit more on the higher strings. Okay, so you kind of alternate there, down up, down up, down up, down up, bass top, bass top. All right, so it goes like this. Okay, and that is easier with the F sharp and E, since we have a bigger spectrum here between the strings here, so you can really separate them from each other. Anyway, that is how it goes. One string round is down, up, down, up. All right, so we have pretty much 2 chord progression rounds, one for the verse play and one for chorus. So it's pretty similar here. We're gonna start with the verse, and what you're gonna do here is to play B minor, F sharp minor, A, and E. You're gonna play 4 string rounds per chord. So B minor 4, F sharp 4, A4, E4. In the first verse, you're gonna play for 2 chord progression rounds. So let's go for 2 rounds, B minor, F sharp, A, and E. Not 100% sure about the tempo there. I believe we are close, somewhere in that direction. Yeah, I just played 1 round for you. You have to play the second one, and that will be the first verse. All right, into the chorus world now, and it's very similar, guys. You just replace the B minor, the first chord, with D instead. So you're gonna play D4, F sharp 4, A4, and E4. You play it for 2 rounds, and it goes like this. All right, so there you have the first chorus. And then we have a post-chorus part where you just play the B minor 4 and F sharp minor 4. And that's it. And then now over to the second round of everything. Gonna play the second verse. You're gonna play it in the same way, but this time you play only 1 chord progression round of B minor, F sharp, A, and E. And that takes us to the second chorus, played in the exact same way as the first one, so no changes there. And then we have the post-chorus part, and this one is longer. You're gonna play the chorus play, the D, F sharp, A, and E for 2 chord progression rounds. So it's much longer than the first one. And that's the second round. And after this post-chorus parts, you are about 2 minutes and 15 seconds into the song. We are now at the bridge part. And what you're gonna do here is to use the same chords you have for the chorus, the D, F sharp, A, and E. And you're just gonna play 1 down per chord. So just 1 down with pauses in between for 1 chord progression round. And that's the bridge parts. Now into the final parts of the song, you're gonna go back to play the third chorus in the same way as you play the previous choruses, no changes there, 2 rounds of the chord progression. And then you have the outro part left. And that is to still continue with the chorus play, played for 2 full rounds. And you're gonna end with the final E there with just 1 down. And that's the end of Ella Langley's Weren't for the Wind. All right, so great song coming out there from Ella. And yeah, got my eyes on her now. So we'll see what she will bring out for us in the future. If you are a fan of her, Gordon guitar perhaps, or just my voice or anything else, please feel free to subscribe to this channel. And yeah, hope to see you soon. Till next time, guys, play tuned.